Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically cover your face with emoji in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened Filmora, and for example, I'm going to cover this woman's face with emoji. Okay, and we can go to the effect menu right here, and then we're going to go to the video effect, and here you can search for the face of effect. Okay, and you can choose this one guys. You're going to add this effect to your video like this, and now the effect has been added to my video, and then I'm going to replace the blur with emoji. Okay, I'm going to click on the effect, and then here you will be able to choose some emojis, and I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to cover your face with emoji automatically in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!